The CPR, Construction Products Regulation, is a regulation issued by the European Union in force since the 1st of July 2016. The purpose of the CPR is to ensure the harmonization across Europe of the materials used in construction, achieve higher safety levels for fire and dangerous substances in materials used in construction, provide greater clarity and traceability of products used in construction. The CPR applies to all products intended to be used permanently in construction, public places, housing, civil engineering works, electrical connections to buildings, external lighting, etc. The implementation of the new CPR safety requirements obliges manufacturers, distributors, project managers and installers in the European Union to manufacture, distribute, prescribe and install cables that comply with the harmonized standard EN 50575. Top cables fully comply with the requirements laid down in the new CPR regulation, which has been in force since the 1st of July 2016. The European Union has set up a transitional period of 1 year for the application of CPR, during which the entire supply chain is required to ensure its stocks comply with the new regulation. As of the 1st of July 2017, all newly installed cables must comply with the CPR regulation. It is therefore important that you make sure that you adapt your stocks to cables that have already been designed and checked under CPR criteria. To do this, you should check that the cables are correctly identified on both the cover and identification label, that the product includes the CE mark in accordance with all applicable directives, and that the supplier has the corresponding Declaration of Performance, also known as DOP, that identifies the product, its intended use and fire performance in compliance with the new regulation. The DOP contains all the relevant information: manufacturer, cable identification, evaluation system used, applicable standard, certification body, and the CPR performance of the product. Ask your usual manufacturer for the Declaration of Performance for all electrical cables that are to be permanently included in construction. The CPR includes 4 classes that apply directly to electrical cables: B, C, D and E. Cables classified as B and C are those which have highest performance levels against fire, providing maximum protection for individuals and teams. D and D class cables provide a more basic level of safety. Furthermore, the CPR establishes 3 additional classification levels regarding the amount of smoke produced, the particles released by the cable during combustion, and the acidity or toxicity of the smoke. The cables with the highest safety levels, classes B and C, also have additional positive characteristics as regards smoke, release of particles, and acidity. This new classification system enables the easy comparison of different products in order to select the most suitable cable for each type of installation. More information on the new CPR regulation and its application criteria in different European countries can be found on Top Cable's website. When you choose Top Cable products, you are guaranteed that you are acquiring cables that fully comply with the requirements laid down in the new CPR regulation.